More jars. Hopefully pee. Heyo, it's JazzYo, and welcome to a new episode of Cube Escape Paradox. We're jumping in to, I believe it's Chapter 2, Episode 1. Where am I? Still at the same spot. Have I been here before? Yes. I feel different. There's a windmill on top of the thing now. I feel different. So I don't have anything from before. This isn't the same setup, is it? Yeah, it is. Except the tree's gone. What's this? Okay, do I like move this to whatever thing it is? Oh, here. And now we have to move it like this. Oh no, we have to move it here. Oh. Oh, is it gonna... Okay. Move this one here. And then move this one here. And then move this one here. Oh, got a little paper. Paper piece. Oh, there's a little picture up here. It's someone's bedroom. There's some potions, some clothes. Oh, there's holes in this. I think this thing is missing something. It looks like it's missing a nameplate almost. Huh. Why? What happened to the bird? I know I didn't like him, but... Can I... anything else? Why? Why is there a person back there? Like, that's like a shape of a person. That's not the bird cage anymore. This is different. Okay. I see. I see why this is so... Okay. I like the fact that we're like jumping on into these puzzles. Like, it's happening quicker than I thought it might. No. I should probably get this one out. Bring this one. No. Okay, put that down. Bring this here. Move this here. Get that one out of the way. I don't know. I don't. I'm already stuck. It's like, I'm doing terrible at this. I'm making moves. Somehow. This is gonna take forever. Neopets has trained me well. Wait, how do I do this? Move this here? Oh, there we go. S, triangle. T. Took me long enough. What's this? Paper piece. I'm stuck here again. Yeah, you are. Yep. Oh, the chairs are different. Or the chair? What? The picture's different. What is this? Look, there's that hand and the picture and the two lights, but one light is on. At least, oh, I didn't mean to go back. At least this is like, I have no idea what's going on in that. I see like a face almost. At least this is like, I don't know. I don't know. There's something coming out of that. I don't know what's going on with this. I don't know. Can't really use that. Burning cigar. Are these the chairs from the last? Like, remember in the last picture, it was like some people that were sitting down? Or it was like the Birdman and like the cactus guy? Cactus man? Is that this? Is that these chairs? Let's keep going. See what else we can find. The doorknob's blue this time. The typewriter's gone. Is this the projector? Oh. Oh, is this the lake? That goes there. And this goes here. So we need one more picture. It's gonna be such a nice picture. We don't have any tapes yet. I have no idea what time this is supposed to be. Gonna have to figure that out. Screwdriver, okay. A fish that's alive. Always good. Can I cook him? No. Can I... Alright, so I got a live fish. I got a paper piece. That's locked. Can I use the screwdriver on the lock? No, I cannot. Let's go back here. Can I use it on this? Yes, I can. Huh. Another puzzle. That was quick. Oh, wait. Can I put these back? What light's on? Oh, this one. And there's a paper piece. Okay. It's interesting how not all the lights come on. Okay. Greetings from Rusty Lake. Rusty Lake, mental health, a place to empty the mind, reflect on the past, the present, and the future. Watch Rusty Lake TV, channel 945. Cool. Alright, let's watch some TV. Do I want to do this? Wasn't the door the other way before? Oh, God. Okay, she's still out there. Well, at least this is, like, not... We fixed this last time, so... Don't really have to worry about that. 945. Oops, I have to go around again. 9... Okay. Alright, 945. Nothing weird, please. What is that? Okay. I don't want to. I have to burn the painting with my cigar. Please don't make me talk to the cactus man, like, anymore. Do I use this? Oh, the cactus man is my soul? How unpleasant. Oh, we could open this. There we go. Hey. There's a knife. I need water. And tea. And coffee? Like, okay. Bedroom in Arles. Label painting. Got that. So my birthday is December 18th, 1930. I'm a detective. Photo of client. Personality test. We have to get that. So that's 1. This is 2. Mental disorders, anxiety, alcohol abuse, claustrophobia, depression, ichthyophobia. I don't know what that is. Newspaper article. Patient suffers from youth trauma, substantial fears, anxieties, sense of loss. Funeral card. Losing sight of reality in recent murder case, which triggered several unprocessed memories. Patient will be referred to a reputable mental health institute. Flyer. Okay. What else is in here, though? More jars. Hopefully pee. What is that? This is the blank Vandermeer. It suffered blank from stress and it's been like rubbed off. I can't read it. I got a hopefully glass eye. Nope, doesn't say glass. Just says eye. Alright. There's that. There's this. I don't know why I did that. Move this here. Move that there. Okay. That's easy, right? Oops. Put that there. Rusty Lake, The Ultimate Guide to Mental Health by Jay Islander. There he is again. Empty your mind. So we have to scalp ourselves. Reflect on the present, the past, the future. So, okay, we have to stab ourselves in the head 3 times. Easy. That's something any sane person would do. Order the pieces. Everyone has a role to play. There's 5 statues and 5 books. The past is never dead. Okay, so it looks like... Okay, so this is obviously a hint for the clock. The deer thing is pointing at noon? Noon 30. And there's like a window. I don't like this. Okay, so you have to hand the knife to the hand so that it'll give us a heart. Hopefully not ours. Hand a letter to the hand, we'll get a statue. I think that's what this is saying. Hand an egg to the hand and we'll get a square. Face your corrupted soul. I don't like that level. Hopefully we can bypass that level. Let's go to the clock. Let's start there. 'Cause I feel like maybe not. Wait. Let's go back to the book. So it was pointing at 2 things. So the book was pointing at... Wait, not the pea jar. The book was pointing at... Let's skip ahead to the clock part. It's pointing at the deer, and it's pointing... Okay, so the X is pointing at the deer. The circle is pointing at a window. Like the windmill? Like that window? Or this? There's no other windows, so Could be this one. Could be that one. Okay, it's not. This one. This one. That one. Here. Here. Oh. Is it physically pointing at the deer? The deer is at like, what, 1 o'clock? You gotta be kidding me. It doesn't actually want me to do this, right? Did I do that right? I'm so confused. Like, if I go back in here and I change this to 2 o'clock, is it going to give me a new one? Can I just do this based on every hour? To unlock it? No. What if I did one of these? I can't even tell you what time I actually put it on. Okay. I think it's not gonna actually do that. It's not gonna let us just keep going. I think this is gonna go here. Yep, of course. Hey, shrimp cocktail! Don't know what to do with that. Also, should I put this eyeball back in here? Will he like that? No, he didn't. Let's take the label painting. Put it back here. Oh, nope. Put it back. There we go. Oh, we got stuff. Oh, this isn't right. We have to put everything back the way it was. An ear. Hey, Mom.
Hey, baby, how you doing?
Oh my god, I'm recording. We got an ear. So far, we have an eye, an ear, and a knife. So we can make a new person. Okay. Hey, Vincent van Gogh. Okay. This is different. This painting wasn't here before. It's like kind of stuck on there. It's Van Gogh's ear. That's not funny. Y'all are rude. You're rude for that. Okay, so where do we go from here? Let's go back to the book. I don't want to scout myself. Okay, back to the book. Guide to mental. So, scalp yourself, number 1. Okay. Alright. Let's, pick up the knife. I really wish they'd stop doing this. So we have our brain now. We are dumb now. Can I put anything else in there? Like the cigar? Okay, so I gotta get the letter. Oh! Okay! Well, I didn't know that that was there. Can we not with these, like, creepy, like, Slenderman looking dudes? Alright, well, let's put the photo in our file. Is it this one? Of course it is. There we go. Now we need a personality test and all that good stuff. Knock knock. Here. Go crazy. Can I have it back? Thanks. Thanks. You're so generous. Okay, now you can put your hand back. I'm like getting just all these body parts. The eye. The ear. That doesn't even look like an ear. My brain. And the knife. Okay, that's what I thought we were gonna do. This is a puzzle. Let me see. Put this one here. Put this one here. Oh, good. That was easy enough. Now the fish has no face. Good. So great. Let's start here. Is this going to be more YouTubers? Telephone directory. Hey. Official alphabetical index. Wow. That's a lot of people. The Lake Cigars. 1889. Finest quality. Can I cut out this advertisement for mental health and fishing, Rusty Lake? No, I cannot. I have a feeling that I'm gonna need somebody's thing in here. I'm like all up in my camera. These numbers are so small. Johnson Bird Food. Tasty treats for your bird. Buy the amazing Rusty Coffee Maker. Ground coffee water fuel. The best decorations for an amazing birthday party. And nothing. Magnifying glass that I can't pick up. There we go. Empty. Because that's always good. Okay, so I have a feeling I have to take the magnifying glass to this side. Maybe? I don't know, let's see. But what am I looking for? Gosh, please don't do anything weird. That's not Cactus Man. Who is that? Excuse me. You are not Cactus Man. No. So I have to order... Okay, I ordered the books. And I have to order the statues? What statues? These? Those are jars. I'm not an idiot, promise. Oh, maybe a little. That's going to be all for today's video. If you liked it, please go ahead and leave a like. I would like you to say Ayo in the comments, and please subscribe if you would like to be a Moon Master and see more, and I will see you next time.